The night had fallen. There was a strange silence in the forest, as if a storm was about to break. It was the same night when a few days ago, Mastani woman had defeated the cruel giant, and he had suddenly disappeared after being injured. Everyone thought that the story was over, but it was just a silence, the silence before the storm. In fact, the giant was not dead. He was hiding somewhere in the darkness, regaining his strength, and now he had become more dangerous than before. At the same time, the people of the village suddenly started disappearing. Travelers, shepherds, even a great scholar. People understood. The giant has returned. When Mastani woman heard this news, her heart ached. This is my unfinished battle. I have to finish it. She immediately set off towards the mysterious cave from where strange sounds were coming. This was the same place where the giant had imprisoned these innocent people.